Second quarter na. Score 15-16 in favor of C. Bola ng Kagan. Ambag, binigay kay number 15, pull up jump. Wala. Wow. 17-16 in favor of Kagan. Ang Gamgam, dalang bola. Skala, 40. Wala. Gamgam. Huli. Sayang. Mercader. Padayaw. 18-17 in favor of Aksi. 9 minutes, second quarter. Bertarden. What a pass! 19-18. Balik na tayo. Lamang Kagan. Gamgam. Skala. Padayaw. Padayaw. Gamgam. Tumira ng 3. Pasok yan. Bang! What a shoot! 21-19 in favor of Aksi. 8 minutes, second quarter. Gamgam rebound. Bili kayo kay Skala. Skala na madali. Mercader. Oh! Gamgam foul. Bola ng Kagan. 8 minutes, second quarter. 21-19 in favor of Oxy. Number 15 versus Padayaw. Oh, what a shoot! Deadlock tayo, 21. 7 minutes, 54 seconds. One more Petro, number 15. Wala. Rebound by Padayaw. Mercader. Hula. Hula. Top retro by number 14. Deadlock 21 tayo. Wala. One more retro. Pasok. 22-21 in favor of Kagan. 7 minutes 35 seconds. Second quarter. Gamgam. Binigay kay Padayaw. Padayaw sumalaksak. Binigay ulit kay Gamgam. Uy! Sayang, lane violation. Half court violation. Ambag. Skala rebound. Wow, buzzer better. Sayang. 21-24 at 24-21 in favor of Kagan. 6 minutes 42 seconds. Solomon versus Andal. Rebound by Padayaw. Backseat. Padayaw. Pull up jump. Rebound by Andal. 1+1 Andal. One more Petro by Andal. Wala. 24-23 in favor of Kagan. 6 minutes for second quarter. Solomon. Naagaw. Backseat. Wala. Ambag pull-up jump. Wala. Rebound by Andal. Badayaw. De La Cruz. 2 points. 25-24 in favor of Oxy. 5 minutes 35 seconds. Santander binigay kick out. Keto ke pass. Wala. Rebound by Padayaw. Binigay kay Backseat. Backseat tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Andal. Wala. Naagaw ulit. Backseat. Andal. De La Cruz pull-up jump. Pasok yan. Padayaw. Wala. Naagaw ni Backseat. Padayaw. Pasok. 27-24 in favor of Oxy. 4 minutes second quarter. Agaw ulit. Solomon. What a move. Backseat. Dala ng bola. 26-27 in favor of Oxy. Mercader tumira ng 3. Bola. Mahmoud. Wow. What a shoot. 28-27. Mercader, Andal, what a pass, naagaw pa. Huli, wala, rebound by Mercader, De La Cruz. Andal, 29-28 in favor of Oxy. 3 minutes 45 seconds. Wow, what a shoot. 30-29. Favor of Bagan ulit. 3 minutes 34 seconds. Padayaw. De La Cruz lumusot. 31-30 in favor of Oxy ulit. 3 minutes. Mahmoud. One by De La Cruz. What a pass. Kada Backseat. Tumira ng 3. Pasok yan. Andal rebound. Solomon. 32-33, 1 point lead by Oxy. De La Cruz dala ng bola. Binigay Padayaw. Andal. What a pass. 35-32 in favor of Oxy. 2 minutes 13 seconds. Second quarter. Santander. Kaya ambag tumira ng 3. Wow! 35 din lang tayo. 1 minute 50 seconds. Mercader tumira ng 3. Wala. Ambag ulit, tumira ng 3. Back to back. 38, 35, 1 minute 20 seconds. Time out, Oxy. Oxy, meron ng bola. Binigay kay Lacos, pull-up jump. Bola. 35-38 in favor of Bagan. 1 minute, 11 seconds. Ambag uli. Binigay kay number 29. Bola. Ipang by De La Cruz. Binigay kay Bag. Oh, naaga uli. Naaga sa Thunder. Bagmoon, alam na. 40-35. 54 seconds, second quarter. Oh, nilawa. 14. Ambag uli. Wala. Rebound. De La Cruz. Wala. Rebound by Bagsit. Bagsit. 37-40 in favor of Bagan. 40-37 in favor of Bagan. 12 seconds. 12 seconds ayaw. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Sayang. And second quarter, 40-37 in favor of Dagan.